A crystal milestone. Ipinagdiwang ng Philippine Association of National Advertisers ang kanilang 15 taong anibersaryo sa pagbibigay parangal sa mga advertiser at brand builder na malaki ang kontribusyon sa larangan ng advertismo. Isang simbolo ng tagumpay ang Panata Awards na taunang ginaganap at inorganisa ng mga brand builder bilang pagkilala sa mga makabago at pagiging malikhain pagdating sa marketing and advertising. Ayon kay Mr. Bobby Semborio, PANA Executive Director, na ang kanilang panata ay ang pagiging isang responsible advertiser, protektahan ang mga consumer, at patuloy na maging inspirasyon sa industriya ng marketing and advertisements.
Napaka-meaningful. I mean, we did some surveys sa mga friends natin from the industry, not from clients but also ad agency. If there's an inventory launch Panata with a new name, sabi na what? Because the name Panata is so meaningful. And of course, Panata also means vow. It's a tapat na pangako, ibig sabihin. So as Panata continue to champion responsible brand building through promotion of effective and globally recognized marketing communications, advertising, self-regulations, and consumer protection. Yun ang Panata ng PANA. So very meaningful. So we will stick with the name Panata Awards.
Hinikayat naman ni Mr. Mark San Juan, PANA Secretary, ang small and medium enterprises na sumali at magbigay ng kani-kanilang brand entries at kahit pa mga brand mula sa probinsya.
Aside from having, for example, the Brand Builder of the Year, we also wanted to recognize those up-and-coming marketers. That's why we also introduced the Rookie Brand Builder of the Year. And also, we wanted to, of course, recognize the people behind the campaigns. Usually, it's the agencies, but of course, as marketers and as advertisers, we wanted to highlight the people behind coming up with the strategies and being able to coordinate and build those communication and the campaigns. That's why we also introduced the Team of the Year. So moving forward, it's really expanding it and making sure we are relevant. That means inclusivity as well. That's why we encourage entries from small and medium enterprises and also even provinces, provincial brands. Coming from a brand, Julie's, which started out in Cebu, there are a lot of brands that we have not seen or have accomplished a lot, who have grown a lot, and we welcome these brands to be able to really recognize and highlight their efforts and their tenacity in terms of, despite the challenges, especially the past few years, to be able to uplift and still be stable and build their brands.
Welcome ang lahat ng gustong lumahok at magbigay ng kanilang entries para ipakita ang kanilang effective marketing and branding. Para sa mga gustong mag-submit ng entry, bisitahin ang kanilang website pana.com.ph/panata_awards. At yan ang aking special report. Ako po si Angelo Bainyo, nagbabalita ng tama, naglilingkod ng tama.